Good day everyone, my name is Ceci Manangka. We are going to talk about advocacy of campaign. Advocacy originates from advocacy, call to one's head or to speak out on behalf. Someone is the organized effort by citizen to influence the information and implementation of public policies, laws, regulation, program, distribution of the resources, and another decision that affects people's lives and pressuring state authorities and another powerful actors. Advocacy also influences social, political process that enable and empower the people to speak up themselves. Child abuse. There are many forms of child abuse. Children can experience physical, emotional, or sexual abuse and neglect. Learn the sign of child abuse. So you can recognize them if you suspect a child experiencing abuse. Seek professional help and keep the child away from the abuser. Child abuse is hurting the child and occurs when the child experiences from a neglect. Often the abuser is someone the child knows. In child abuse, many forms in child abuse children experience physical, emotional, or sexual. Neglect are learned and sign of child. Recognize them. Good morning everyone, my name is Ceci Manangka. We are going to talk about a campaign. It's a plan set of activities that people carry out over the period of time in order to achieve something such as social or political change. During its election campaign, it proves to put an economic back on its defeat of campaign against public and awareness campaign created by people with mental health issues. Coordinated effort of the promotes and product, service, or cause. It typically composed of a series of activities that are designed to reach a specific goal. Bye bye.